Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Now I am going to the topic short revision of reaction that is in inorganic chemistry. Now it is part 3 where we can say the reactions involve in the preparation of alkyne. That means you know what is alkyne. Alkyne is the unsaturated hydrocarbon, and here there are two types of reactions involved. One is preparation and other one is that is properties. Now reactions involved in the preparation of alkyne, that means how can you prepare alkyne and what are the method of preparation of alkyne. This alkyne preparation method, when I am going to explain the form of reactions and equation, then it is easy to understand the preparation of alkyne. And though it is a basic concept of organic chemistry, but it belongs to class 11 syllabus, and here we are going to know about the preparation of alkyne. Now next is our that means how can you prepare alkyne. What is the general formula? General formula, that is CnH2n minus 2. That means here what is C? Carbon, H hydrogen, N is the number. That means here the general formula CnH2n minus 2. You also know what is the general formula of alkane, CnH2n plus 2, and it is here CnH2n in for alkene, and for alkyne it is CnH2n minus 2. And here what are the preparation? You can observe here the preparation and the reaction involved, you will observe. Then action of the water on calcium carbide. You know, calcium carbide is a inorganic compound that consists of calcium and carbon. Carbon, that means CaC2. Calcium carbide on water, what happens? It gives ethyne and calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is famous for as an inorganic compound. When it passes through lime water, it turns milky. And now CH triple bond C is ethyne, which is the first simplest hydrocarbon in alkyne. Now how can you get that CaC2 calcium carbide easily, and a large amount of calcium carbide? How can you get calcium carbide on heating? Calcium carbonate on heating, it gives calcium oxide. What is that calcium oxide? Calcium oxide is known as quicklime and carbon dioxide. And calcium oxide, when it is treated with carbon and with high temperature, then it changes to calcium carbide and carbon dioxide. Then come to how can you prepare other methods. That is called dehydration of dihalide or vicinal dihalide. What do you mean dehydrogenation? That means hydrogen is removed. Hydrogen molecule is removed of dihalide. Dihalide means two halogens should be present in the compound, and that is called vicinal dihalide. In vicinal dihalide, you can observe here that what is the formula? The important formula 1,2-dibromoethane. That means dibromoethane means 2 bromine in ethane, and it is 1, and this is the other one. And bromine, it is 1 position, and here it is 2 position. So what happened here? It is called 1,2-dibromoethane alcoholic AOH. If you treat alcoholic AOH, then what happened? It gives 1 bromoethane. That means here 1 bromine should be removed and 1 bromine is there. And what is the formula? That CH2 CHBr or you can see here there is a double bond. This double bond indicates alkene, that is 1 bromoethane, and sodamide ammonia, and here sodamide ammonia, and it gives that mean ammonia is removed and sodium bromide is also removed, and you will treat sodamide, that is NaNH2. Then what is the product? Because sodium bromide is removed, this bromine is removed as sodium bromide, and what is remain? That means CH triple bond and CH, and other hydrogen, and let it is this hydrogen is removed in the form of ammonia, and double bond that changes to triple bond, and that is ethyne. This is the number 2 method of preparation. Second method, where dehydration of dihalide, that is vicinal dihalide. Then come to here, vicinal dihalide as a general formula. How can we write? RCH, here see RCH and single bond, that means there are 2 halogens should be there, RCH and CHRX. That means when it is in the form of vicinal dihalide and alcoholic KOH and NaNH2 when given, it gives alkyne. So this is the alkyne, and this is vicinal dihalide. Third method, zinc on tetrahalogen derivative. Tetrahalogen means there are 4 halogen in the alkane. They see here, this is 2 carbon, that means it is that is ethane. In ethane, here 4 bromine atoms are replaced, 1,1,2,2 tetrabromoethane. 1,1,2,2 tetrabromoethane, on heating with zinc it gives CH, and here this is the alkyne, CH triple bond CH, this is ethane, and plus zinc bromide. Zinc on tetrahalogen derivatives, that is zinc on treating with tetrahalogen derivatives of alkane. Example 1,1,2,2 tetrahalogen bromoethane. You can see this is one position, this is one, and this is called second position. Then what happens? In one position there are 2 bromine, and 2 position there are 2 bromine, so it is called 1,1,2,2 tetrabromoethane, and it gives how many carbon? 2 carbon, so it is 2 carbon, and the name is ethyne. What is the name? Ethyne. So this is the very simplest method, and then come to other method you can observe. Before that you can see other example, tetrabromopropane. Propane means 3 carbon, and tetrabromo means 4 bromines are replaced. So here you can observe, this is the tetrabromine bromo, tetrabromopropane, and where 4 bromines are attached, and this is the position 1, you can say 1, and this is the position that is 2. And what happens? Zinc on treating it gives 4 bromine are there, so here ZnBr2 you can say here 2 times ZnBr2 produces a byproduct. Then what is the main product? That is propane. You can say this is the number 1, here number 1, and this is 2, and here it is 3. So what is the name? Name is 1 propane you can say, but not necessary because only 3 carbons are there, so you can say 3 propane. Sorry, not 3 propane, simply propane. And the carbon atoms I have shown 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. It indicates that it is prop, that means 3 carbon, and since it contains triple bond, that is propane. And 4 number you can say preparation of higher alkyne. That is very, very important. Higher alkyne, how can you prepare? They see here, this is the number of carbon is 2. Ethyne, what is the name? Ethyne, and here NaNH2, it is diethyl ether, it gives CS triple bond CNA. That means there are 2 hydrogen atoms in ethyne. There are 2 hydrogen, but here if NaNH2 treated 1 hydrogen replaced by 1 sodium. So what is the name? Sodium acetylide, because it is common name is acetylene, so name is sodium acetylide. Now this sodium acetylide has a power to convert to higher alkyne when it treated with alkyl bromide. Now what is the name? Methyl bromide. What is the name? Sodium acetylide. Here what is the name? Sodium acetylide. Then what happens? It gives propane, because you know there are 2 carbons in the main, and after that you are adding 1 carbon, totally 3 carbon, and 3 carbon, the name is propane, and NaBr is the byproduct. I hope it is clear. Preparation of higher alkyne, it is very, very important. How can you prepare higher alkyne? Similarly, this means now sodium acetylide, here see, here you can see, this is the sodium acetylide. When treated with any alkyl bromide that is higher to methyl, what you have taken before, this is known as ethyl bromide. So, ethyl bromide, when treated with sodium acetylide, then what happens here? It gives CH triple bond C, C2S5 and NaBr, but 1 Generally, you can say, how can you write in general? There should be triple bond, there should be hydrogen. So let's see, RC triple bond CS. This is called that is your alkynide. That means alkynide means here hydrogen is replaced by that means sodium. So this is the main important. This is the alkyne. In alkyne, when treated with sodium, it gives sodium alkynide, which is very, very important for further reaction. When you treat with CH3I, then what happens? The sodium is replaced, and this is called higher alkyne. I hope it is clear. Generally, how can you change, and individually, how can you replace sodium by a methyl group? Then come to as for 5th member method, that means here you take chloroform. Chloroform, very important. What is the formula? CaCl3, that is very dangerous to nervous system also, and here it acts as anesthesia. So here the silver powder Cl3CH, it gives acetylene. Similarly, iodoform, when treated with the silver I3CH, it gives ethine. So these are the method of preparation of alkyne. I hope it is clear to you. I hope you can understand easily what are the method of preparation of alkyne, and hope it is clear to you, and hope you will subscribe my channel BL The Short and Sweet in Chemistry, and thanks for watching my video. Thanks to all again.